favorite truck, and the boat comes off and it snaps back on. And this is my favorite one.
What have you got here all lined up?
I have...
Are they sorted?
This is a cool one. It's a shark car, and it has green rims. See?
That is a cool one.
The green rims. And I have the green garbage truck. I like this one. This is one of my new ones. This is one of my new ones too. And I like this one the best in my whole stash collection. And
Anything else you want to say?
I like this one too, even though it's kind of beat up. Okay. What did they say?
Happy collecting.
Happy collecting. Bye bye. Now